then you cook it.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, I don't want to eat it raw. That'd make me really bark. Are you rolling, Josh?
But sometimes kids and mommy only eat it like in a big pumpkin with a stem on it.
You eat it like that?
No, I just cook it.
Oh, okay.
But sometimes kids and mommies and daddies do.
Oh, you say that we eat it raw? Yeah, that's crazy. I would not eat a pumpkin raw.
But sometimes mom and dad should do that.
Well, can you tell me about that part where you said, like, why I should try it, even though I don't want to?
Well, I guess you just gotta try it, and then you just might like it, I guess.
Have you done that before?
No, because I cook these special dinner.
I thought you said that you tried some at school and you didn't want to.
But you just gotta wear this necklace and you think about your mind.
I think about my mind?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe you just gotta take your glasses off first. And then, wait.
Can you pull off my ponytail?
Oh, yeah.
Ah, thanks. Thank you.
But I make you special dinner.
Okay.
Because that's gonna send it your birthday.
But you're making me pumpkin pie on my birthday?
Yes.
But I don't like pumpkin pie.
But you just gotta try and see you like it.
At least get a candle.
Yes, I have a candle. And I was also gonna make coffee.
Perfect.
But it's too much things.
Hmm.
Maybe I move a little things up.
Okay. Should I eat something while you're waiting?
Sure.
What shall I eat? Can I eat my broccoli?
Okay.
Yeah, definitely turn it the right side up. That's correct.
Maybe you make a little more round. There we go. Now I get up. There we go. Let me eat some coffee for you.
Okay. Does coffee go well with pumpkin pie?
Yes.
Yes?
It does.
Have you had coffee before? Have you had coffee before?
Yes.
You have?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's gonna be very hot. Because
Okay.
it's a hot.
Mm.
And it's gonna cool off a little bit.
Okay, I'll wait for it. But I didn't think little kids were supposed to drink coffee.
But I can pretend I grown up, okay?
Oh, maybe you should drink tea. I wouldn't want you to stay short forever.
Okay. You say so.
Penny, have you ever had pumpkin pie?
And here's your toast.
Thank you. Daddy asked you if you had pumpkin pie before.
But it had a little bit of cabbage.
Right, for Thanksgiving maybe?
Did you like it?
I tried it, but I didn't like it.
I actually think you ate it all. I think you did like it.
No?
Yeah, because I thought it was pretty crazy. Because like I definitely don't like pumpkin pie.
I like pumpkin pie a lot.
Maybe it's going cap. Maybe it's going cabbage again. You have pumpkin pie, but sweet as seed.
What kind of pie do you like?
I guess it was like raspberry pie.
Mm.
I do prefer the berry pies myself.
But you want raspberry pie?
Number one, don't hit me in the glasses. Number two, yes, I would love raspberry pie.
Okay. But you gotta be very nice and say please.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hey,
May I? May I please have some raspberry pie?
Yes.
All right.
But you gotta say please after I cook it.
Oh, after. Okay, I'm sorry.
And you gotta say, please, I have pumpkin pie. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. I will follow those directions.
At first, I'm done cooking it.
Okay. I will stop talking.
Here it is.